Hi, I had a problem with my tigra roof, as in the rear parcel shelf. When that came up or detracted, it made a very loud clicking noise and continued clicking. I found a resolve for myself. Whether it'll work for you, I don't know. But if you open the roof as normal and then begin to put it down, assuming you can get this far with it, at that point, if you stop it so you can actually see underneath this section, that part just there, just that's basically a clutch in case it gets stuck, so it doesn't shear the drive. What I found is on that there is a cam with a micro switch, which coming around the other side, if you look, if I can get close enough, on there's that screw just there, which is a torx drive, and if you notice the hole is elongated. Well, basically that hole allows that cam to move backwards and forwards. This cam just there allows it to rotate backwards and forwards. If you slacken the screw off, you should be able to hear the micro switches click in on and off. I adjusted it so it just before it clicked the micro switch. It might take a little bit of just adjusting it, just a few millimeters each time, and keep trying it. But once I'd adjusted that, it stopped jumping on the clutch, and now the roof works okay. It's just worth a try. Originally I thought the micro switches may have failed, but after testing them that they was okay. But just try releasing that, taking the tension off that screw and just moving it up and down just a couple of mil at a time and retry it. It worked for me. Hopefully it works for you.